For the last few years, although I love spirituality, I love all things woo-woo, I was afraid to convey that in my own business. I was afraid to actually put this out into the world as a business owner because I came from the corporate world. I did corporate for like the first 7 years of my career. And even though I've been in the entrepreneurial space the last few years, it has taken me a long time to go through this true identity shift where I'm no longer afraid to share with the world my spiritual passions in particular. It's like, I definitely noticed I was holding myself back in terms of the content I was putting out there, who I was trying to appeal to. I was kind of doing all this like woo-woo appeal to spiritual entrepreneurs sort of under the radar for the last few years. And I think the biggest reason is I was afraid. I was afraid to be perceived as too much, too woo-woo, too weird, too out there. And the funny thing is, it's like, those are all the things that actually make me so unique. Those are all the things that I have now learned to really love about myself. Like, go for the woo-woo, go for the weird stuff, go for the bold, go for the stuff that's taboo. Who cares? We are in the age of Aquarius. My rising sign is Aquarius. Aquarius is the weird little alien of the zodiac. Like, we're in the age of letting your freak flag fly, be so unique that they cannot ignore you. I want to empower you to stand out as the truly unique individual that you are. That is truly going to stand the test of time no matter what changes in technology. Your true self and true essence is completely timeless.